check the pads. There's going to be a wear indicator in the middle of the pads. It's a bit hard to see, so that line, when it wears down, your pads definitely need changing. So basically you're just going to be undoing this top bolt and the caliper will flick back and give you access to the pads. You only need to remove the entire caliper with these big bolts on the bottom if you're going to swap the disc over. I had a look on YouTube and I couldn't find any good videos on how to change the pads. One bloke took the whole caliper off and another bloke, so you have to hold the inside one with a 17mm, 15mm on the outside. But on one of the videos the bloke put the pad in backwards and one took the whole caliper off, so you just undo that bolt and then that whole caliper just flicks back like that. And replacing the pads, so that easy. And make sure you put it in the friction material towards the disc. As seen on YouTube, somebody did that. You just stick them in there. It's that easy. And obviously with worn pads the piston's going to be out further. You've got to push the piston back in. So when you push the piston back in, you just get a G-clamp. Just put it back in. This is just going to push the fluid back into the reservoir. So I've just pushed in enough so that I can get it over the calipers. And to give you the idea how to do it, when you put the hose on, make sure there's enough room to allow the caliper to swing back. So that just goes straight back on, just like that. Put the bolt back in. It's going to be spinning around, so span around there. You need a reasonably thin 17mm spanner. And that's good to go.